Want to make money online in 2025 but don't know where to start? What if I told you that with just a laptop or even your phone and the right AI tools, you could launch a profitable income stream? Starting today, in this video, I'll walk you through 7 powerful AI tools that are helping everyday people make $100, $500, even $1,000 a week with little to no experience. These tools are beginner-friendly, low-cost, and built to help you win. Stay till the end, because I'll share a bonus tool that combines automation and cash flow like magic. And hey, if you're serious about building digital income, smash that subscribe button and let's build wealth together on Smart Wealth TV. First up is the king of all AI, ChatGPT. Most people use it for fun, but smart entrepreneurs use it to write ebooks, launch faceless YouTube channels, craft social media content, or even offer freelance services like blog writing or email marketing. Use case: offer done-for-you content packages on Fiverr or Upwork. Or write your first ebook in a weekend and sell it on Gumroad or Amazon. Potential earnings: $50 to $500 a week. Tool number 2 is Canva's Magic Studio, your AI-powered design and video partner. Whether you're creating YouTube thumbnails, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or digital products like journals and workbooks, Canva does 90% of the heavy lifting for you. Use case: sell editable templates on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, or offer content creation services to small businesses. Potential earnings: $200 to $1,000 a month. No design background needed, just drag, drop, and sell. Next, meet Opus Clip, the tool that turns one long video into 10 viral shorts in seconds using AI. Use case: repurpose podcasts, Zoom calls, or interviews. Start a faceless motivational or news shorts channel, 100% automated. Trending: creators using this to grow from 0 to 10K subs in 30 days. Blogging is not dead, it just got smarter. Koala Writer lets you create SEO-optimized blog posts in minutes using live web data. Use case: build niche blogs, add affiliate links, and earn passive income. Potential earnings: $5 to $50 per blog post if you freelance, or $300 to $3,000 a month from traffic plus affiliate income on your blog. Real talk: do you think AI is killing creativity or helping more people finally unlock it? Drop your thoughts in the comments right now. I want to see what you think. Is AI killing creativity? Tell us. Tool number 5 is a hidden gem, Notion AI. Combine AI with Notion's clean, modular design, and you can build digital planners, habit trackers, goal-setting templates, and even mini courses. Use case: sell digital downloads or host mini membership sites. Hot tip: bundle with Canva to create full productivity kits. If you're into visual creativity, Leonardo AI and Midjourney are game changers. They generate stunning graphics, t-shirt designs, children's book illustrations, and more. Use case: sell print-on-demand merch or create NFT collections. Potential earnings: the sky is the limit, depending on your niche and marketing. This one is for the future business owners. Systeme.io is an all-in-one AI-powered tool for building sales funnels, email lists, landing pages, and even hosting courses. Use case: create lead magnets, capture emails, and sell ebooks or coaching. Perfect for those who want to grow a brand or monetize an audience. And here's your bonus tool. Pictory AI turns blog posts or scripts into full YouTube videos with voiceovers, stock footage, and subtitles automatically. Use case: start a faceless YouTube channel without showing your face or recording a voice. Combine it with ChatGPT for full content automation. If you're serious about building an income online in 2025, don't just watch, take action. Comment below with the tool you're most excited to try. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe button, and turn on notifications. This channel drops daily and weekly videos on AI, income, and digital freedom. Want my full beginner's starter kit with step-by-step checklists, templates, and tools? Grab it free at the link in the description.